to Cooking with Chef Matt. On today's episode, we're going to be making a Tuscan herb pork sandwich. To start out, we're going to be making our herbed aioli here. Aioli is just another term for like seasoned mayonnaise. So to start out, we have about 2 cups of mayonnaise in our bowl here. We're going to add an ounce of lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of fresh chopped garlic, and some fresh chopped flat leaf parsley. Okay, and we're just going to mix that around here, incorporate all the ingredients. Okay, and then we have our garlic aioli. All right, we're going to set that aside here, and then we're going to go to our roasted pork. Alright, so for our roasted pork, we have pork collar here. Okay. And we're going to mix together 2 tablespoons of black pepper, some ground rosemary, kosher salt, some olive oil, and some Chardonnay wine. Some more fresh chopped garlic. Okay, we're going to mix all that together here. We have our rub. And we're going to take our pork and coat it together. Once that's nice and rolled, we're going to take this and wrap it and throw it in the oven for about an hour and a half. And once it's roasted, then we'll pull it out. Let it rest for about 15 minutes so that all the juices stay inside of the meat, and then we're going to slice it and put it on our sandwich. So when we come back, that's where we'll be. Welcome back. So now that our pork has been roasted for about an hour and a half, we let it sit for about 15 minutes so that all the juices stay on the inside. And this is what your pork should look like. It has a nice crust on the outside of the herbs and that we roasted and rubbed it with. So we're going to start the creation of our sandwich. Okay, so we're going to serve it on an onion roll today. All right, we have our herbed mayonnaise here. All right, that we made at the beginning. We're just going to put some of that on the bun. Okay. And we're going to use some arugula, some sliced tomato. Okay, and then we're going to cut about 2 or 3 slices of our pork here, about 4 ounces, nice and thin. Set that to the side. Top that with 2 slices of some provolone cheese. Close our sandwich up. And there we go. Here's our Tuscan herb pork sandwich with arugula and garlic aioli. Enjoy.